How to empty trash for Outlook or Hotmail email account in Samsung Email or the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the email app. Next, tap on the menu button. Then tap on the settings icon. In the email settings, go down and open up your Outlook or Hotmail account. Next, we scroll down and then go down to the bottom and tap on empty trash. Next, tap on delete. Now it said that this will permanently delete the items in the trash. So if you are sure, tap on delete and that will empty the trash from your mail server. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to your inbox or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.